Out of battery juice, no power bank, what are you going to do? Those public USB ports look tempting, right? Before you plug in, here's what you need to know. Public USB charging points can be risky because of a threat called juice jacking. It's when hackers secretly use USB ports to install malware or steal data from your device while you're charging up. USB ports don't just transfer power, they transfer data. So what this means is you could be actually giving your data away, passwords, even personal photographs. So what should you do? Firstly, make sure your power bank's charged up, and if you can, get a data blocker cable, a good one. Never trust public power stations or charge stations. Don't let a quick charge ruin your privacy.